Thanks for tuning in for another Pergravis Data Center Quick Tip. Data center contamination is a big issue. It is essential that rooms housing servers remain clean and free of debris, since small particles can get sucked into vents and exhaust ports and cause critical failures. Some common materials found in data centers can be a source of contamination, which in turn impacts cooling efficiency and poses a potential risk of circuit board shorts. For instance, common acoustic ceiling tiles are comprised of cellulose fibers, and they shed over time. Likewise, cardboard boxes shed large amounts of cellulose fibers too. These fibers are transported by air currents to heat sinks, fan blades, and air filters. The accumulation of fibers can coat fans and clog heat sinks and filters, reducing cooling efficiency. Metals with a galvanized coating also can shed zinc whiskers. These conductive metallic fibers can find their way to circuit boards where they can create short circuits. Removing cardboard boxes, performing regular cleaning, and using alternative non-shedding materials is key to maximizing cooling efficiency and minimizing risk to your data center. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another Pergravis Data Center Quick Tip.